Good afternoon, dear student. I am Sonali. Welcome all of you my channel Biology with Sonali. Please subscribe my channel. Today I am going to take your first class, that is semester 5 students, molecular biology. This is paper 11 unit 1. So today we will learn about structure of DNA and type of DNA. You have a little bit known about what is the DNA structure in class plus 2. So let's start. This is structure of DNA. You can see that this is double helical structure, and first is described by Watson and Crick. The two strands of DNA are known as polynucleotide, is composed of simple unit of nucleotide. Each nucleotide is composed of a nitrogen containing nucleobase, that is cytosine, guanine, adenine and thymine. It also contains sugar called deoxyribose and a phosphate group. The nucleotides are joined to one another in a chain by covalent bond between sugar of the one nucleotide and the phosphate of the next. The DNA is the largest human chromosome, that is chromosome number 1, consists of approximately 220 million base pair and 85 long. DNA store biological information. Biological information is replicated as the two strands are separated. A DNA is non-coding, meaning that these sections do not serve as pattern for protein sequences. A human body contains about 0.5 gram of DNA only. Single-stranded DNA molecule present in some viruses like coliphage, rabies virus, retrovirus and like some plants virus, that is nanoviridae. Then type of DNA. There are 5 types of DNA are present, that is A DNA, B DNA, C DNA, D DNA and Z DNA. A part of B DNA of DNA proposed by Watson and Crick, DNA may exist in some other form. It is because of number of nucleotides per turn and the distance between adjacent repeating unit. The different form of DNA also depend on the hydration level, DNA sequence, the amount and direction of the supercoiling, chemical modification of the base, the type and concentration of the metal ion and presence of polyamine. Then the type of DNA are A DNA, B DNA, C DNA, D DNA and last is Z DNA. So first of all we learn about what is A DNA. A form DNA is present in DNA fiber of 75% relative humidity and sodium ion, Cs2 plus or cesium ion or K plus ion or potassium ion. The bases are tilted 20 degree away from the perpendicular to the helical axis. This form of DNA has similarities the conformation of double-stranded region of RNA hybrid duplex with one strand DNA and one strand RNA. Then second is bDNA. It is the most common form in living organism. It occurs at the high hydration level in the living cell. Then third form is C form. When the DNA fiber are maintained 66% relative humidity in presence of lithium ion, then C form is obtained. Then D form. This form has few base pair, that is only 8 pair and lack of guanine. And last form is Z-DNA. It constant with the classical structural families, that is, it is a left-handed double helical structure with 12 base pair per turn of the helix. The sugar phosphate backbone is zigzag in nature, so that it is named as Z-DNA. Z-DNA are rare occurrence and exist at very high salt concentration. Z-DNA formation has been repeated in plasmid, simian virus 40, protozoan, and in many other organisms. Prokaryotic DNA can easily form Z-DNA configuration that the eukaryotic DNA. So this is all about type of DNA. Have a good day.